Here we have a 69 plate BMW 320i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. You'll also find the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. You then have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills and front splitter. This vehicle does come with the M Performance kit. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. This vehicle also comes with the M Sports Plus package. We do have the front and rear parking sensors and a rear reversing camera. Dual exhaust at the back, along with the rear diffuser. If we take a look inside the boot, just press that button. Boot pops open. You can see we have plenty of space inside of here. We also have a handle underneath, so we can pull it back down with ease. Back round to the driver's side, and you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a quick look at the interior, have a look at the back first. You'll find leather seats, foldable armrest and fixed ISO points. We do have the M Sport style seat belts, vents in the centre along with the climate control. We do have the electric windows on the doors along with ambient lighting. Same leather seats for the front. Both front seats can be heated, and there's a quick look at both of them. Taking the seat inside, digital dashboard and multifunctional steering wheel in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. Got the cruise control, speedometer here on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side, phone connectivity, volume buttons on the right, automatic wipers on that stalk there. We have the automatic lights just behind the steering wheel, along with the ambient lighting. You can see the blue lights running across the doors and also across the dashboard. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat-nav. If any lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Going through the different features, we have the buttons down here, so click onto media. Got the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. We do have the phone connectivity for phone calls, a range of apps that are installed along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we go on to the vehicle settings, you'll find ambient lighting, plenty of different colour options to go through. Looks really nice at night time. Got the intelligent safety just here, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down, we do have the dual zone climate control for the front, heated seats at either side, and also ice-cold air conditioning. Inside of here, you'll find we have two cup holders, along with 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the drive modes just like so. Into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera and parking sensors on the right. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, and finally the leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320i M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us. We are just approaching a junction here, so slow down. Some traffic, we've got a right indicator on. Make sure there's no traffic coming, and we're going to turn right, continue on our way, start to get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to change the gears manually. Now if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Got plenty more features throughout the interior. Leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for the cold winter mornings. You'll then find we have the main infotainment screen in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of different features on there. You would have seen all of the photos. Just below, you'll find the button for the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. ambient lighting as well, which runs throughout the interior. It's really nice at night time. We are going to take another right hand turn here, so again, right indicator on, start to slow down, make sure there's no traffic, and then turning right onto Gravy Road, start to accelerate again, get up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. We do also have the different drive modes. We've got the buttons down here, so you can easily toggle through the drive modes while driving. And we are approaching a bend here. We're going to take it nice and steady, slow down, coming up to the dealership, put our left indicator on, turning left then onto the dealership, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, into reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with one or some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.